Okay. Hi, I'm Harold Lewy, life coach, and I'm the international expert and authority on body reading. I'm inviting you to the next Mastery workshop, and you can find out all the information you need from our website, dates, place, and how to enroll. Now, this invitation is for you to come and participate in a very boutique-type exclusive workshop with very few participants. I said a workshop. It's really an adventure. It's a 3-day intensive adventure going to some magical land where you discover all sorts of things about yourself and other people. There are people out there that are looking for the technique. They're looking for the magic wand that suits everybody. But with us, well, in the middle of the group dynamic that we work with, everybody is a special individual needing a special individual's pathway or road from the beginning to the end. All the juices are going to start flowing. Mental juices and emotional juices and physical juices. And yes, you might even sweat, but it's going to be a good sweat. Can you imagine to yourself being in a safe space with encouragement and support? Lots of games where you feel a lot and you move people and you laugh and you get angry and yes, you might shed a tear or two. It's the world of theatre. It lends itself for us to get involved more with what really makes us tick. And you will spread wings and fly. And when you land, you'll still be you. You'll just be more of you. You'll have more vitality. You'll be connected more. You will flow more. You'll have more fun. You will be somebody who has a wider emotional capacity and passion. When we take off the weight and the burdens that we are carrying around, we have a wakefulness which is wonderful and an ability to be connected to our dreams and realizing them. It's a renewal, a sharper, clearer vision, and your batteries will be filled up. The Mastery's been around for 30 years all over the world. The best game in town, the best show, because it's about you. And it's an investment that pays off for the rest of your life. Myself and my team, we work with a lot of humor, a lot of compassion, acceptance and love. Take this opportunity. It's here and now. The Mastery of Self-Expression. Welcome.